Hi everybody, this is Julia from ThermApparel and I've got Curtis here with me today. We're going to do a quick tip and tips and tricks. Tips and tricks of how to do a quick change of your cooling packs. Now when you have your vest on, the pockets face your back. So with Curtis here, Curtis is wearing the vest the way it's supposed to be, where the pockets are on the inside. And so it makes it kind of difficult to get the packs out and then to switch a new one in. But you want it to be difficult because you want those packs in there really snugly, because you want them to stay on your back really snug and safe. So instead of taking your shirt off, you can do it that way. Or you can do it how I do it, and this works really well for females because then you don't have to rip your shirt off in the middle of public. You can leave your shirt on, you wear the vest inside out so the pockets are facing outwards. So like this. Then you can just lift my shirt up and the packs can be quickly and easily replaced. There, and then you're good to go for another couple of hours. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can call us 855-232-7233. You can live chat with us, or you can send us an email. Thanks, and we'll talk to you again soon.